I am here at the Ragutan West Integrated School and I am going to interview our fellow division students on what they think about mathematics. But firstly, let me introduce myself. I am Princess Joy Alcawan. Come and follow me to interview our fellow division students. Now, let us start our interview about mathematics. I already spot two boys playing by the swing right there. Come and follow me. May we disturb you for a while?
Yes,
Is it okay for me to interview you about mathematics?
of course.
Thank you very much. Now, firstly, what are your names?
Thank you, Ramona. Welcome back.
The question for you is mathematics subject matter? How?
For me, mathematics subject matter because in our everyday life, mostly use mathematics. For example, when you're going to buy.
Thank you very much. Para sa'yo, mahalaga ba ang matematika at paano?
Para sa akin, mahalaga ang mathematics. Kasi kung walang mathematics, wala tayong petsa o taon. Pagkat ang mathematics ay parte ng number.
Maraming salamat. Wait, I've thought of something. How about I ask you a question, cameraman? Is that okay for you?
Yes, of course.
I want to know your thoughts about mathematics. Let's change positions.
Before I ask you a question, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Maple Panganiban.
Thank you very much, Maple. Now, for your question, what lessons have you acquired during the first to last quarter?
The lesson I have acquired from first quarter to last quarter. Math teaches us to think logically, to identify and state the problem clearly, to plan how to solve the problem, and then to apply the appropriate methods to evaluate, to solve the problem. We learn how to evaluate and draw the conclusions we have learned.
Let us interview more students. Come and follow me. Excuse me, may I disturb you for a while?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Is it okay for me to ask you questions about mathematics? What's your name?
I'm Danica Cancelo.
Thank you, Danica. Now, for your question, what is the importance of learning different concepts in mathematics?
For me, the importance of learning different concepts in mathematics is for us to use this concept easily. Sa pag-aaral ng mga ito, mapapadali ang pag-intindi natin sa matematika at magagamit natin ito sa pang-araw-araw na buhay.
Maraming salamat. Interview these two boys on how they will use the concept of mathematics in their daily life. What are your names?
My name is Raymond Enrique.
My name is Dennis Alpang.
Thank you very much. Now, for your question, how will you use the concept of mathematics in your daily life?
I will apply this concept of mathematics in my daily life when I'm counting my money, also when I'm going to buy something which subtraction and addition will be used.
Nakang 100, bibili ako ng 20 pesos na tira. Kaya ang natira na lang sa akin ay 80 pesos at yan ay ginamit ko ang subtraction.
Hey, wait!
What is it?
Kanina ka pa tanong ng tanong sa mga estudyante dito. Ngayon ako naman ang may katanungan sa iyo.
Magandang ideya yan. Ano ang katanungan na yung ibibigay sa akin?
How will you encourage the other student to love and embrace mathematics?
That's a very wonderful question. For me, as a student who really love mathematics, I would like others to love it too. Mathematics is all around us, and I would like all of you to know that. Mathematics is everywhere. Dates, years, and even our time, it's all about math, isn't it? So why don't you just love mathematics? When you love mathematics, you'll surely know how wonderful mathematics is. You should know that mathematics will never leave us. Wherever we go, it is always there. So let us all embrace and love mathematics. Thank you very much.
Tina, kung ikaw ang tatanungin, gusto mo ba ang asignaturang matematika?
Hay nako, ayaw na ayaw ko ang matematika.
Bakit naman?
Wala lang, mahihirapan kasi ako pagdating sa pagsasabi.
Hindi mo ba alam ang matematika ay nakapalibot lang sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay na gamit natin ito?
Talaga ba? Paano naman?
Halimbawa na lang ng pagbibilang ng pera, pati petsa, taon, oras, pagkikilo, at marami pang iba, hindi lamang iyon.
Oo nga, ngayon ko lang naisip yan. Lahat nga pala nang nabanggit mo ay parte ng matematika.
Oo, kaya dapat mahalin mo ang matematika sapagkat sa ating buhay, parte na natin ang matematika. Saan man tayo mapunta, Sa kasama natin, hindi tulad ng mahal mo, iniwan ka lang.
Tama ka. Simula ngayon, ispisado na ako sa matematika.
Maganda yan.